plan to break up your family, but we plan to have a kid because clearly he's not happy with you. He's not happy with the family, and he wants to start again, and I'm happy with that. I can do that for him.
Well, maybe instead of just cheating on me, if that's what he really wanted, maybe he should have started with getting a divorce first, then starting another family. And maybe he should have found somebody better to start a family with than my own sister. And maybe you should have been a sister enough to not run off with my husband.
Well, maybe you should have been a good wife and he wouldn't have cheated on you in the first place. That would have been a starter.
All right, I'm over all this. Like I said, I will keep all of my posts on social media. I will keep doing whatever I want to do with those posts. And nothing you say or do is going to stop that. And you know, believe whatever you want to believe. Not believe me about his Tinder profile, him cheating. That's all on you. Good luck with all that.